All right, folks, this is HA8RD in Hungary. Laci, I think's the name. L-A-C-I. I'm not sure, European pronunciation. Laszlo is his real name. We're going to try 20 watts of the cobweb. So I'm running 20 watts of the cobweb antenna up about, what, 30 feet? I'm not sure what he's running. See if I can't work on here. So he's saying 7.3. It is 16:26 Zulu right now, October 29th. Oh yeah, now everybody's coming in. Give me a 559. Thanks, Fred. 7-3. Anyway, so Laci, finally I worked Laci. My call sign? HA8RD. Anyway, so I finally got to work Laci HA8RD here on 28.014.2. He heard me. He gave me a 559, my 20 watts out. I gave him a 579. Not sure what he's running, but thanks a lot for the contact. HA8RD in Hungary. This is Fred, Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima, Fred in Thunder Bay, running 20 watts to a cobweb antenna at 30 feet. Here on the 29th of October, 16:30, well, we made contact at 16, I'll say 32 Zulu. So, thank you very much. This is Fred. Take care, stay safe, watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT, this is Fred, VE3FL, 7-3. Stay safe, take care.